के लिए. Now, an angry crowd viewers satellite a section of a hospital at the epicenter of the Ebola outbreak in the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo after family and friends of a young man thought to have died from the virus were prevented from taking his body away for burial. In the chaos, police fired warning shots to disperse the crowd. The body of a dead Ebola victim is highly infectious and the authorities need to ensure safe burial to stop the spread of the virus. Medical workers at the Ravampara hospital, located near the city of Bunia in Ituri province, where almost all of the cases have been reported, were placed under military protection as the police moved in to restore order. A healthcare worker was injured by stone-throwing protesters before law enforcement agents intervened. A hospital worker told the AFP news agency. According to reports, the man who died was a popular figure in the local community and those upset by his death did not grasp the reality of the disease. Jean-Claude Mukendi, who is coordinating the security response to Ebola in Ituri. Aditya Vadhavan will shortly join me with more details, viewers, but this is of course an angry crowd that has satellite a section of the hospital at the epicenter of the Ebola outbreak in the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. Now, a case of Ebola has been confirmed in Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo's South Kivu province, hundreds of kilometers from the outbreak's epicenter. The rebel alliance that controls the area said. The case in a rural area near the provincial capital Bukavu signals a spread of an outbreak that experts believe circulated undetected for around 2 months in Ituri province, several hundred kilometers to the north, before being identified last week. According to the World Health Organization, the outbreak has been linked to 139 deaths, with 600 suspected cases reported in Ituri and North Kivu provinces as of May 20th. 2026. 2 cases have also been confirmed in neighboring Uganda. The Alliance Fleuve Congo, which includes the Rwanda-backed M23 rebels who seized swaths of eastern DRC last year, said that the 28-year-old patient had died and been buried safely. It said the individual had traveled from the northern city of Kisangani but gave no details of recent movements. Aditya Vadhavan is joining me. Aditya, what more can you tell us?
Well, absolutely, Vishali, this Ebola is rapidly spreading across the African continent, and it has been called as a very contagious virus, Vishali, and it needs to be seen. All the last year also when the Ebola outbreak had happened several times, Congo has been the Democratic Republic of Congo has been the specific epicenter of this Ebola outbreak, and several other countries like Uganda and Kenya. So definitely, everybody is on alert. Even this morning also, the US has also issued a travel advisory and a health advisory that any US citizen who is coming from the Ebola affected country cannot enter the United States, and they have to spend that particular time in the quarantine. So completely at this juncture, the US Center for Disease Control, CDC, is also ensuring all the rules are followed as per the standard operating procedure. And indeed, at this juncture, it is a very scary situation, and it needs to be seen because it's a very deadly virus, and it is linked with 30%. It has 30% of fertility rate. So definitely needs to be seen how more this virus spreads in other countries of the world. Yes, Vishali, thank you.
Thanks, Aditya, for joining me. And with that, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll see you on the other side.